Business Natural here. I'm on a job here in Harbor Island, in downtown Tampa. I want to show you. This is one of the meanest nests I've come across for quite a while, and I've only opened up part of it. See, they're about to attack me again. Look at that. I'm pretty sure it goes all the way up and around this window and all the way down here. But check it out, these guys are pissed. Anyway, gotta get some smoke on them and try to calm them down a little bit. They're definitely Africanized, as you can tell. They chased me. I've walked 6 blocks and they stayed with me. So it's gonna be a tough one. But anyway, I'll get to it and get these guys out of here and relocate it safely. All right, guys, peace.